kg. Auntie, hi. Something happened to my... She's watching now. I'm having trust.
This one I bring from Kerala.
September. October.
Yeah, it's good. Like, subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Meet my friend Nia.
Hi.
And today she's gonna teach me evening snacks, that is Ulli Vada. And for that we need to buy some ingredients, so let's go for shopping. 50 का 2 kg. अंकल प्याज कितना है?
प्याज 30.
बड़ा वाला नहीं है, बड़ा यही है. Now we are gonna eat burger.
And then we'll come to the burger shop. Then we'll go to the veg shop. I have sugar mommy with me.
No, but I don't think that time I'll be broke.
No, boy.
Oh, so good. Come, Miss Nia Joy. What did you bought it?
Curd and milk.
It's for only for 2020. Good
Yeah,
price.
and it's very good quality also.
Who need a boyfriend when you have a strong friend? She's not letting me to carry bag. Yeah, Nia is gonna treat me ice cream now. Right, Nini?
You see what is this?
Drumstick. Hi, बोलो आंटी. Hi.
नहीं, मैंने मैक्सी पहनी, अच्छा कपड़ा नहीं पहनी.
ठीक है ना आंटी?
अच्छा नहीं.
अच्छा दिख रहा है.
अच्छा था वो वाला येलो साड़ी वाला.
नहीं, ये अच्छा दिख रहा है आंटी.
नानी अच्छी है.
हाँ, अभी भी वो रिकवर हो रही है अभी. हाँ. We don't have soft. Yeah, let's buy 4, okay? आंटी
गर्मी के साथ
मेरा हिंदी सबसे अच्छा है ना?
बहुत अच्छा है.
सब
आपका भी अच्छा है बेटा. I was expecting, okay.
सबसे अच्छा बोला निया. सबसे अच्छा.
Doman.
No, बेटा, it's your treat.
It's pretty.
Nia's treat.
It's very tasty.
Yeah, this is also tasty. So we reach home. So now we are gonna have our burger, and then we'll start to make the, what is that? Ulli Vada. Ulli Vada.
Yeah.
Ulli Vada. Yeah. Okay, it's good.
This is the burger. This is the ketchup. When you show your burger and get the burger.
Let me see it. Okay.
This is the juice.
And what else?
And this is the pepper. Just show the tissue also.
Yeah, tissue paper.
Thank you, Burger Company, for taking too long to make.
But this is only 80 rupees. I think 79, right? I think, yeah, this is only 79.
What's the difference? Only 1 rupee.
Yeah. So now we are gonna start. These are the ingredients. This is only 3 ingredients we needed.
Yeah, only 3 ingredients.
And
If we have curry leaf, then we can use curry leaf also. But since it's not available in MP, since curry leaf is not available in MP, so we just gonna adjust with these 3 ingredients plus maida.
Maida. So it's like pakora.
Yeah, it's like a kind of pakoda, but in pakoda we'll use besan, right? Here we'll use the maida.
All set. Now I'll cut the onion. So we put, do we have other things? Yeah, I don't like this snack. Like this. Ketal. Preparation is going on. Too much hard work.
Next time we will try another one, but not the onion one. Okay.
Sure. So finally we cut all the onions. And these are the chilies, and we will add ginger. We crush the ginger. Something happened to my mic, so I'm not gonna use my mic, so I hope you guys will understand.
Now I'm giving instruction to Tama how to do. Now Tama is mixing onion and salt together, and now we're gonna add this one chili. The chili we cut it in a very small size, and this is the paste. Not paste, like ginger, crushed ginger. Just put it in together with it.
Camera.
So we add chili also, and our chef is mixing it. Say hi.
Hi.
Now it's time for adding maida. So we're gonna add some water. Since it's our first try, we are not expecting that much good also. Your hand is more here.
Yeah, it's penny this one.
Let me give you massage.
No, I'm using only one hand, so.
Yeah, you need to do that extra pressure.
So it's done.
Mosquito.
Now we're gonna heat it up, the pan. Yeah. Done. My hand is spinning.
When there is doubts, we can use YouTube also. That's right.
Our guide. Hello. She's watching now. I'm having trust issue now.
Since we didn't like the color, so we add some chili powder
Chili powder.
to make it more colorful. Now we are heating up the pan. We'll put some refined oil also. After that, we'll fry it. That's all. It's done.
It's done. It's so simple.
Yeah, when you say
Yet,
it, it's
we
very...
need energy to mix it.
Give me bombastic side eye when I ask her to make it okay.
Achha, yeah, it needs like
But you
everything
know...
is fine, okay, but mixing part.
Yeah, for her, okay. I only let her do the mixing part and putting in the oil part.
You cut all the
Onions, myself, okay.
Ah,
It's like big onions, okay, 5 or 6.
oh, yeah.
And after everything, who will get the credit? Mommy. The
Yeah.
hard work. The hard work I have
Gossiping,
done.
gossiping about her
Yeah, I
mother.
hope she won't watch it, okay. Otherwise, she will cut my all snacks, evening snacks.
Yeah, but it looks very tasty now. No, it's simple, right? But yeah, but it's same as pakora.
Yeah.
But in pakora we use besan. Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, and pakoda will add extra ingredients like cabbage or something like that.
No, there is different type of pakora. Without cabbage also we can make it.
Acha. Then
Like,
yeah,
it's
then
very
it's only
simple.
like besan difference and some ginger. We add extra ginger.
Yeah. Ulli Vada.
Yeah, Ulli Vada.
Ah, yeah. It's not ullu, right?
Ullu is idiot, right? In Hindi.
Yeah, in Hindi it's idiot. It's Ulli Vada.
Yeah. Now that we have still time left for heating up the pan, right? We'll show you the basic ingredients that we need in Madhya Pradesh house. Aloo. There is one more is there, but we can keep it. Dal.
Yeah, dal.
And yeah, this one I bring from Kerala. Since we are living in Madhya Pradesh, but we rarely use it, okay?
Yeah. Only for chapati and puri.
Only for chapati and puri.
What to do? Housewife material.
This
Housewife
girl.
material.
I only started coming to the kitchen after I came here. If I never had done.
Yeah, that's how you learn, right?
Yeah. My mentor, one mentor is here, other one went home. She's just done and she went home.
Such a lucky girl.
Yeah.
Come.
January, February.
January.
I'll teach you January, February. Like this, okay? It's like wait, okay. Okay. Just do
What?
January.
Like this?
No, like that. January.
January,
Put it back here. February,
March,
April,
May,
June,
July,
August,
September,
October,
November.
December.
What?
You cannot let the December touch your hands, okay?
Acha!
It's a rule,
Oh!
okay?
Come.
August,
September,
October,
November.
December.
Oh! But how it started? I started right?
Yeah, if you start, then I'll end up doing December.
Really?
Yeah, you don't know.
But before also, you started right?
You started.
Really?
Every time you started.
Acha, then you started.
Oh, you need to put it like straight, okay? Don't hold, okay?
What?
Don't hold, okay? And at the end, right, there will be like 3 chances given, okay? If you miss it, girl.
Started
January,
February,
March,
April,
May,
June,
July,
August,
September,
October.
November.
Really? Stay here.
No, I can't say. Put it down. There is 3
No,
legs.
you're running now. Stay.
You can't catch it, okay?
1.
You miss it, okay? There is 3 chances. Put it down. You're shocking. Is it pain? Oh, you remind me of my mom, boy. You remember? Now we wanna make the snacks, okay? And the oil is already heated up. We are doing the chef. We are putting multitasking example. Shape doesn't matter. As long as it's eatable, everything is fine. That's our motto, right, boy? There.
Yes. Now our princess is trying new style.
Since there is no space, we'll put it back here. Just for fun.
It's not that bad. Tipni ko cha tari ko tari ngachim do chapat na chuk chini mang chi absan sna ngachim na na mera ke jumjong batam na to de ya chapat kingan ke mang dut nat ken alam la chan zaman. So it's done.
I'm gonna heat it up the tea.
So finally we are done with everything cooking. We cooked the Ulli Vada and we made the tea also.
So yeah, we are gonna try it now.
Yeah, we're gonna try it now.
Let's try the small one.
It looks small. I think it's quite big. Since we cook earlier, right? So some of them are when like little bit cold, so we can try it now.
It tastes like pakora.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. It's crispy, like that.
How would we rate our Ulli Vada?
You want to read?
I think I would rate
7?
7. Why 7? It's too less.
Real?
It's not that bad now. I think I would rate 8 out of 10.
I think I'll rate 7 because it's not that similar to the Kerala one. Kerala one is bigger and all.
But it's our first time, right?
Yeah, since it's our first time,
So yeah, that's why I would rate 8 out of 10.
I'll be 7 since it's my cooking day. Mummy, are you watching?
Try my tea.
I have bad feeling.
No. It's good. It's good, right?
It's good. It's a mix of. It's not completely tea. While we are making tea, the tea powder khatam, so we just add some coffee also. So it's a mix of tea and coffee, but it tastes really good. You should also try.
I saw in one YouTube. I was planning to try it before, but they say we don't drink tea, right? So
Not we, only you.
yeah, I don't drink.
She don't drink tea, but I drink every day. Mallu girls never say no to tea and evening snacks.
Yeah. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy our video. So if you guys
Like, subscribe. No, let's just cut that part.
yeah, let me start. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy our video. So bye bye. Thank you for watching.